Hello and welcome to Robotics with Om sir. In this video, I will show you how to take notes using NotebookLM. Using NotebookLM, you can take notes, you can have the discussion on any topic, or you can convert your text into audio, or you can discuss on any topic, or you can summarize any points. So let's see how we can do this. Open any web browser. You can search for NotebookLM, or you can directly go by clicking on these points. Just click and scroll down and click on NotebookLM. Here you have to create a new notebook. Click on new notebook. Now here we have to add resources in the resources tab, and in chat you can type anything, you can summarize any text, or you can ask questions on any video also. So click on upload a source. Before that, we'll take the source from here. So these are current affair videos. We'll take any video in Marathi language. So this video is of 1 hour and 4 minutes. So copy link, click on share and copy this video link. We'll put this link here on the notebook. Click on add resource. Here you can upload the file from your directly Google Drive from link, or you can paste text also. We'll choose YouTube and paste video link. Click on insert. Now it will analyze that video thoroughly and it will be ready for you to ask questions on that video. So you can ask any questions in this chat, or otherwise if you want to take notes, you can type give me notes on this video. So it will give you all the notes from that video. It will not miss any point. If you want one liners, you can type give me all one liners from this video. So it will give all one liners to you. Now next thing, you can change output language also. If video is from Hindi, English, still you will get output in Marathi language. You just have to go to settings and change your output language to any language. It will give you the output in that language. Now next, we can have a discussion on that video also. So if you click on generate, it will generate one discussion on this video. Right, here are the notes are ready. Also you can generate mind map. If you click on this mind map option, it will generate one mind map on that video. Suppose if you are learning types of computer, so it will give main type, then subtopics and about information about that subtopics and computers. So there may be having lot of computer types in one type, so it will generate mind map, so it will be easy for you to remember those things. Next thing, if I can pass any web page, if I have to learn about this web page or the blog, I can copy this link and I can provide this link to notebook. Here add resource and click on website and paste. Click on insert. Let's upload any one PDF. Click on add and here we will choose file. Let's upload any. Okay, introduction to cryptography I will upload. So this is the PDF introduction to cryptography. I will show you. This is the PDF. So I can prepare notes on this PDF. In place of this PDF, you can upload your whole book. If you are having that in the form of PDF, you can upload your book and you can generate questions on that book or on any specific chapter also. So if I ask now, let me change my output language to English. Okay, default I will give default, save. Give me information on cryptography. Now you will ask me what is the difference between ChatGPT and this NotebookLM model. So see, there is a lot of difference. You can generate audio notes here, you can ask questions, but ChatGPT can reply you from the whole internet. So maybe some information is right, some information is wrong, but if you provide it a specific information in NotebookLM, it will answer you only from that information, so that it will be easy for you to discuss on the same topic that you are having in your book. So that's the main concern here. Now see, these cryptographic notes are all from my that PDF which I have provided, cryptography. See, this mind map is ready. I will just click on this mind map. This is the mind map for current affairs, right? I can choose one by one. See, good morning. Yes, suppose I have to see anything from, you can see, you can expand these topics also like this. So this mind map is very useful if you have to learn quickly points to quick recall. So you can explore all other options by yourself. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.